In this video, we are going to see how ICS Courier Shipping Integration will works with Odoo. So we divided this video in three parts. First part is some brief and some documentation regarding ICS Courier. Second is configuration part, and third is integration part. So we start with our first part, which is some brief and which services we use. So if we talk about some brief about ICS Courier, then we can say that this integration will helps to connect with ICS Courier shipping courier with Odoo, and you can perform various operations like get live shipping rate, generate shipping labels, track shipment, export your order to ICS Courier, and you can cancel the shipments too. So you don't need to go to ICS Courier to perform these operations. You can handle all the operations from here, right? So these are the brief about ICS Courier. And now if we talk about some ICS Courier product, so there are two products right now, Next Day and Ground. So these two products ICS Courier now supported. So and we covered these two products in our integration, right? And these are the ICS Courier latest API URLs. If you want to test anything, then you can use sandbox URL this, and this is production URL, right? So now we move ahead to our second part, which is configuration part. So for that you have to go to company menu. So there are two way of configuration. First is company level configuration, and second is shipping level configuration. So we start with company level configuration. So we go to settings menu, user, companies, and whenever you select install that this app, you can find this tab over here. So we go to this tab and you can see that are you sure you want to use this. So you have to select this, and you have to enter your credentials, which is account ID and password, right? Or regarding ICS Courier, and API URL you want to set, right? Which is as per your requirement. There is sandbox and production, right? So this is first time configuration. You don't need to configure every time, and you don't need to change anything, right? So this is first configuration. Now we move ahead to our second type of configuration, which is shipping method. So we go to sales menu, configuration, shipping methods. We already created one record regarding ICS Courier. So we open this, and in that you have to select you have to enter shipping method name, and you can find that in provider there is one option we added, ICS Courier. So you have to select ICS Courier as a shipping provider, and when you select this ICS Courier as a provider, you find this tab over here, configuration. So in that you have to select company, package info as per your requirement, and ICS Courier product, which we already discussed, that Next Day and Ground, right? So this is second type of configuration, right? So now we move ahead to our third part, which is integration part. So we create new sale order, selecting customers, selecting some product, and there is two way to add shipping method. First is from sale order, and second is from delivery order. So I will explain this first step. So you have to add shipping from sale order, right? So in that you have to select shipping method. So in that we can see that ICS Courier shipping method is available. So we have to click on this. So right now we are in testing environment, so rate is fixed and rate is coming every time this is, but you can see that rate is coming in a higher value, but in production there is no any no any restriction. There is a proper and a normal value will come as per your quantity as per your product, right? So right now we click on get rate. So we here getting this rate, and now we just add this, and now we add some more quantity over here and confirm the product. So whenever you confirm the product, confirm sell order, we get to know that delivery order is created. So we go to delivery order and go to additional info. So here you can see that ICS Courier Saving Method Carrier already selected. So if you do not select shipping method in sale order, then you can select shipping method from here also. So this is second way to select shipping method, right? So here you can see that there is a product with two demand and with this carrier, right? So ICS Courier is also supported multi-package functionality. So if it's your requirement, like you have to send two parcel in one courier, so you can use put in pack functionality over here. So if this functionality is not visible here, so you need to go to configuration settings, and you can select packages option here. I will show you that in your configuration setting, and you just need to type packages. So you can see the inventory section packages option is available. So you just need to enable this and save your settings. So whenever you do this, and after creating the record, you will find this put in pack functionality. So if your requirement is like that, you need to parcel in a multi package, so you need to use this functionality. Otherwise you go with simple flow. So right now we go with multi package functionality. So first of all, we have two demands, so we send one demand and click on put in pack. So there is a pop-up open that packet details you need to select. So in that we select our package, save this, and here you can see that one package is created. So we fulfill full demand two, and again click on put in pack. We need to select box and save. So there is two packages created, pack 3 and pack 4. You can see also from here from smart button, pack 3 and pack 4, right? So now we validate these delivery order, and at the time of validate we export the details about sender, receiver, product, price, weight, etc. So in return, ICS courier will give tracking reference number and label. So we will see that. Now we validate this order. Yes. So there is two reference tracking reference number we get because we used multi-package functionality and two packages are there. So you can see that first is these tracking reference and second is this. And you can also find the label in your chatter area. So you can see that the label. So there is two label. Piece is one of two and second is two of two. We created multi-packet, then it's send two label, otherwise it will send one label only, right? So this is the functionality regarding multi-package and PDF label, right? So as of now we seen get rate functionality, export functionality, and getting label functionality. So there is two more functionality, which is tracking and cancel. So whenever you click on this tracking button, Odoo will redirect to ICS courier page, and then at that page you can track your package, right, from here. Okay. And one more is cancel. So whenever you click on this cancel button, Odoo will cancel your shipment in ICS courier, right? So we will cancel this, right? And you can see here also shipment and these cancelled, right? So these all are the functionality regarding ICS courier shipping integration. Okay, thank you.